whole numbers. So today in this class we are going to solve the exercise 2.2 based on the properties of whole numbers. Let's see the first question. Find the sum by suitable arrangement. Yes, here in this main there are two questions. I have taken second question. You have to do the first question in notes. Yes, how to solve this problem? Yes, here they are given the four numbers. We have to find the sum. So in these four numbers I will rearrange the numbers for my convenience of addition. Okay, yes, add here which is equals to, yes, first I will add 1962 plus 1538. Yes, make it into group. 1962 plus 1538. Then at last 453 plus 647. 453 plus 647. Is add here equal by equal. Then 1962 plus 1538. Add here 2 plus 8 10 0 carry. Then 6 plus 3 9 9 plus 1 10 0 carry. Then 9 plus 1 10 10 plus 5 15 given carry. 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3. Then plus 453 plus 647. 3 plus 7 10 and carry. 5 plus 4 9 9 plus 1 10 0 carry. 4 plus 1 5 5 plus 6 11. Is now add here. So where we have taken the equals, downside we have to write equal. Then next add here 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 1 plus 5 6 1 plus 3 4. The sum of the given four numbers is 4600. Then let's go to the second main. Find the product by suitable arrangement. Yes, here they are given the 6 questions. In 6 questions I have taken 2 questions. Then rest of the questions you have to solve in the notes. Okay, let's solve here the 6 question. 8 into 291 into 125. Yes, so I will group the numbers for my convenience of multiplication. So first I will multiply 8 into 125. 8 into 125. At last I will multiply 291. Yes, multiply here. It's 8 into 125. Multiply here. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 8 2 just 16. 16 plus 4 20. 0 2 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. It is 1000 and multiply 291 to the product is which is equals to, we know that how to multiply by the thousands. So left leave the 3 zeros and multiply by 1. 291 ones are 291. I left to multiply the 3 zeros. I will add at last 1 2 3. Then put the comma. 1 tens 100 comma 1000 10,000 comma lakh. The product of the given number is 2,91,000. Okay. Similarly, solve the F question. Yes, F question they are given 125 into 40 into 8 into 25. Yes, see here. First we have to make the group. So here I will multiply 125 into 8. Why? Because here already I multiplied 125 into 8. I know the product of this. Then easily I will multiply, which is equals to, make the group 125 into 8, then into 40 into 25. 40 into 25. Okay, then which is equals to, we know that 125 8 that is 1000 into, yes, leave this 0. 25 4 100. 25 4 100. I left to 1 0. I will add at last, that is 1000. Then 1000 into 1000, that is 1 1 are 1. I have to multiply 6 zeros. I will add at last 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The product of the given number is 10 lakh. So is it clear? Yes. Let's go to the third main. Yes. Then the third main is find the value of the following. Here I have taken the second question. Yes, that is 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Yes, see here, this is shows that the distributive property. Yes, we can simplify it as here 54,279 is common in both sides. So I will take it as common. It is 54,279 into is here remaining 92 plus 8. And they have taken outside, then which is equals to 54,279 into, so 92 plus 8 is 100, then multiply by 100, which is equals to 54,279 ones are 54,279. I left to multiply the two zeros. I will add at last. Then what is the product of the given number? That is 1 tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. That is 54 lakh 27,900. Okay. Yes. Similarly, we have to solve the D question. Yes. Here the D question is 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 280. Yes, in this problem I will write 25 as 5 into 5. Yes, let's start to write, which is equals to 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769. Then now 25 I will write it as 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 280. Okay. Then next, see here. Next write it 3,845 into 5 into 782 as it is. Then next multiply here 769 into 5. Yes, what is the product of this? Multiply here 5 nines are 45. Here 4 carry. Then 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 34. 3 carry. Then 5 7 are 35. 35 plus 3 38. Okay. Then into 5 into 280 as it is. Yes, now you can observe here. Here there is a 3,845 into 5 and here also 3,845 into 5. Then take it as a common. 3,845 into 5 then into the rest of the number is 782 then plus 280. Okay, multiply these two. 5 5s are 25. Here 2 carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 42. 4 carry. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4 that is 90. Okay. Then into add these two numbers. 8 plus 2 10. Carry. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0. Carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 2 10. That is 1000. If then multiply here 19,225 into 1 It is 19,225. Yes. Here I left to multiply the 3 zeros. I will add at last 1, 2, 3. Yes. What is the product of given number? That is ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. That is 1 crore 92 lakh 25,000. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. Let's go to the fourth main. The fourth main is find the product using the suitable properties. So they are given the 4 questions. So in that I have taken 2. Okay. The first question is 738 into 103. So which property is suitable for this question? Yes. That is distributive property. Yes. Use that property. Using distributive property. Using distributive property is, how can we write? Which is equals to 738 into 103. It is the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, then multiply here 738 into 100, keep the bracket, plus, in the middle there is a plus, I will keep here, then 738 into 3. Okay, then multiply here 738 ones are 738. I left to multiply 2 zeros. I will add at last. That is 73,800. Then plus multiply here 738 into 3. 3 8 jar 24. So carry 3 3 jar 9. 9 plus 2 11. And carry 3 7 jar 21. 21 plus 1 22. Okay. Then add here 4 plus 0 4. 1 plus 0 1. 2 plus 8 10. 0. Carry 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. Then 7. 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000. 76,014 is the product of given number. Okay. Similarly, solve the third question. Is that is 258 into 1008. So which property will you use in this question? Is I will use here distributive property. Yes. Using distributive property. Yes. Here write the 258 into then 1008. I will split it as 1000 plus 8. Okay, which is equals to 258 into 1000. Keep the bracket. Then plus 258 into 8. 258 into 8. Okay. Then multiply here 258 1 jar 258. So here there are the 3 zeros. Add at last plus 258 into 8. Multiply here 8 8 jar 64. Here 4 6 carry 8 5 are 40. 40 plus 6 46. 4 carry. Then 8 2 jar 16. 16 plus 4 that is 20. Which is equals to, add these numbers here, is 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 2 plus 8 is 10. 0. And carry 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 2. 1 tens 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 2,60,064 is the product of given number. Okay, is it clear? Yes, rest of the problems you have to do it in the notes. Yes, while you are writing the notes, yes, you have to write one by one questions. So don't write like this. Okay, so here I have no space, so I have written like this. So you have to do one by one. Okay, yes. The fifth question is: a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol costs 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? You see here there is one of the taxi driver. He filled his car petrol tank with the 40 liters of petrol on Monday, and the next day means Tuesday he filled with the 50 liters of petrol, and the cost of the petrol is per liter is 44 rupees. How much money did he spend in all on petrol? Yes, we have to find out the total amount here. Yes, first what we have to write: quantity of petrol filled on Monday. Solution: quantity of petrol filled on Monday. Yes. He filled on Monday, that is 40 liters, which is equals to 40 liters. Similarly, quantity of petrol filled on the next day means that is Tuesday, which is equals to, he filled with the 50 liters, that is 50 liters. Okay. The next, total petrol filled. Total petrol filled, which is equals to 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50 liters. Okay. Then cost of the petrol per liter. Cost of petrol per liter, which is equals to, that is rupees 44. Okay. Then next, total money he spent. Total money he spent, which is equals to 40 plus 50 into 44. The cost of the petrol is 44 into 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50. So which is equals to 44 into 40 plus 50 is 90. Then multiply here. 9 4 ja 36. 6 here we carry. 9 4 ja 36. 36 plus 3 39. I left to multiply 0. Add 0 at last. So total money he spent in all on petrol is 3,960 rupees. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Let's go to the match the column. Yes, here there is a subject name, that is match the following. So you have to do the match the following in your textbook. Okay. Yes, the first question is 425 into 136, which is equals to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. So you can observe here there is a multiplication over addition. So multiplication over addition, it is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. The C1 is distributive of multiplication over addition. It is the first one. Okay. Then next, second question, 2 into 48 into 50, which is equals to 2 into 50 into 59. Okay. Yes, observe here the order of the numbers is changed in the multiplication. So orders, we are changing the orders in the commutative property over multiplication. You see here as commutativity under multiplication. It is the second one. And similarly, the third question is 80 plus 2005 plus 20. 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here they change the order. They interchange the orders. Here second order into the third order into the second order. So it is commutativity and addition. Yes, here that is the second one. Commutativity and addition. Yes, is it clear? Yes. So up to here we have completed the exercise 2.2. Rest of the problems you have to do it in your notes. Okay.